Hello all, welcome to Technostic. In the series of database management system, as we are looking into database system architecture, today's topic is database administrator and his functions. So what basically we are going to look upon is who is a DBA, functions, responsibilities, roles and duties of a DBA and other some functions. So the full form of DBA is database administrator. So database administrator is a person in an organization who controls the design and use of database. So this is the definition of the database administrator. Who is a database administrator? Next we are going to look upon are some functions or responsibilities of database administrator. So the first is database administrator defines the logical schema of the database. A schema refers to the overall logical structure of the database. According to this schema, database will be designed to store required data for an organization. Next we have is storage structure and access method definition. So database administrator decides how the data will be represented in the database. Based on this, storage structure of the database and access methods are defined. Then next is defining security and integrity constraints. So database administrator decides various security and integrity constraints, that is by data definition language provides facilities to specifying such constraints. Next we have is granting authorization for data access. So the database administrator determines which user needs to access to which part of the database, like whom to give permission to which part of the database. Not everyone will get permission to all the database. So according to this, various types of authorizations that are permissions are granted to users. This is required to prevent unauthorized access of a database. Here let's say that you have a database of all the students of a college, and the students are allowed to view their profile. The faculties are allowed to view the faculty profile and the student profile. Then the principal is allowed to watch his profile, the faculty's profile and the student's profile. So the student is not granted permission to view principal's profile. So this is what we are looking into, granting authorization for data access. This was an example. Next is liaison with users. So database administrator is responsible to provide necessary data to user. So user should be able to write the external schema using data definition language, that is DDL. Next is assisting application programmers. So database administrator provides assistance to application programmers to develop application programs. Then monitoring performance. So he monitors performance of the system. Database administrator also ensures that data performance is maintained by making change in physical or logical schema if required. And last but most important is backup and recovery. So database should not be lost or damaged in any case. The task of database administrator is backing up the database or some storage device such as DVD, CD or magnetic tape or remote servers. In case of failure such as flood or virus attack, database is recovered from this backup. So this was all about database administrator and his functions. Let us just quickly revise what functions we saw. So database administrator is a person in the organization who controls the design and the use of database. Functions of database are schema definition, storage structure and access method definition, defining security and integrity constraint. Next is granting authorization for data access, liaison with users, assisting application programmers, monitoring performance, backup and recovery. So this was all for this video. Please stay tuned for more such content over channel. Also do like, share and subscribe the channel. Press the bell button to get the latest video updates to our channel. Thank you.